What is going on, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Last minute turn of events, my buddy Cam Casey rented this insane Airbnb out here in Scottsdale, Arizona. So we're about to go to one of their craziest car shows. I am so excited. Also meeting up with some familiar faces. We got my buddy's Plaid out here and also this crazy Ultimate Toys Sprinter van. To the Ritz-Carlton, sir. Just pulled up to the Cars and Coffee in Scottsdale and the turnout is absolutely ridiculous. I can't wait to show you guys some of the cars that are here at the show today. Now, unfortunately, and this is such a common issue with car shows and vlogging, that is really sweet, is they put the DJ booth and music literally where the coolest cars of the entire show is. So in order to not get a copyright strike, I might have to overlay some stuff. Check out this gorgeous 812 Superfast. I think same color as the one I had, but those wheels are much cooler. And again, when the lights go down, we'll do it all again. And again, oh you know, it feels so innocent till we go back round in circles, right back here again. Yeah. Check this out, guys. Starting the show off strong with a built A90 Supra. At first I thought it had a 2JZ in it, but it's just got a really cool intake manifold, upgraded pure turbo 800, upgraded transmission, and check this out in the back. This thing has nitrous, so apparently, and look at the license plate too, this car is so badass. It can run high 8s in the quarter mile with an A90 Supra. That is insane. Look at the tire too. Beautiful Supra. Check this out, guys. A new 992 GT3 owned by a subscriber, and look at this. It's got the right gearbox. I bet driving this thing is unbelievable with a manual. Oh my gosh, the linkage is actually incredible. Love it. We're not in Michigan anymore.
Not in Michigan. We're
JR Garage.
And we're not with an Audi S6 anymore.
That is very true.
That's the first time we met. What was that? That was
like 7 years ago, probably.
April of 2016.
Oh my gosh.
6 years ago, we were in freezing cold Michigan filming a review.
Yeah, he literally started his YouTube channel basically that day.
Yeah.
You had like 300 subscribers.
30.
30 subscribers, and look at you now. You literally just bought a Ferrari FF.
It's a little cooler than the S6.
And how many miles were you saying is on this?
Dude, I think we just hit. We gotta look.
Okay.
Let's see. So we bought it with 81,000 miles.
Oh my god.
Check out.
So the myth that Ferraris only last 20, 30,000 miles is not true.
Oh, no way.
Whatsoever. Oh my gosh, this looks mint. Congrats.
Oh, dude, it's in great condition.
All right, let's see what the mileage is.
Check this out. Here we go.
Look at that, 82,526.
Dude, it's been
That's got to be a record on an FF, maybe.
Yeah, it's definitely one of the highest.
Is the plan to hit 100K?
Yes, that would be sweet. That is the goal. So it's one of the highest, but it's also got to be the cheapest. We only paid $85,000.
Oh my god!
It's held up great.
That's the most JR Garage thing I've ever heard. He finds these cars for like $3 and then sells them for 10 times more.
Other than the PTU line blowing, I thought for sure we blew the front transmission because it leaked out all the fluid, so many warning lights, but it was just the line leading to it. So we fixed it for like $20 to do through in a new rubber line, and we're good to go. So since that, it's been rock solid.
That is incredible. Well, great to see you, man.
Yeah, good to see you.
Love to see the new car.
Yeah.
Scottsdale's crazy.
Dude,
car culture out here is like no joke.
It is nuts. I love it. So glad you're liking it too.
Before we continue, I'd like to give a special shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Uproad. Let's be honest, toll roads can be a pain, particularly if you forget your transponder or you forget to pay online and end up with crazy late fees. Ask me how I know. Uproad is a mobile toll payment app that allows users to pay tolls on their phone. No transponders or cash required. Uproad allows users to pay and track toll charges and also get estimated toll fees all in one place. No more headaches with late fees or toll violations. It really couldn't be easier. Simply download the Uproad app, create your account, and you'll be activated and ready to pay tolls in 24 hours or less. With Uproad, you can take the fast lane to avoid congestion. You also don't have to wait in those crazy toll lines where people are trying to pay in cash. With Uproad, you don't need a transponder, and you can even have up to 10 vehicles on one Uproad account. You can even use debit, credit, Venmo, or PayPal as your toll payment method. So guys, guys, download the Uproad app now by clicking the link in the description below and using my code VEHICLEVIRGINS to give you a $10 credit to use towards your toll on your next ride. Seriously guys, the app is awesome. Make sure to click that link. All right, let's get on to the video. Don't see a lot of new NSXs out and about. Funny enough, there's an old NSX right there. All right, this is by far the coolest Volkswagen Beetle I've ever seen in my entire life. Oh, oh my gosh. No way. All right, by the biggest coincidence ever, my sister is literally out here in Scottsdale for a horse-related event, and I'm here randomly. I don't know, I'm just like filming your face, but check out this old Supra. That is gorgeous. Have you walked around yet? Seen anything crazy? What's your favorite car so far?
There's actually a 458 Speciale Aperta.
There is?
Yeah.
All right, we gotta go check that out. That's your favorite one?
No, I was just saying.
Oh, I was like, all right, way to make me depressed. Beautiful Alpina. I love the livery on that, so classy. Look at this wide body Urus. Look how slammed this Pista is. That looks epic. GTR airing up. We got Kevin in the Driven Projects VF Supercharged Performante. Kieran in the 720 and this crazy wide body GTR.
Yeah, so
damn.
the prototype one.
This GTR is absolutely insane. Check this out, guys. Here's something I've never seen before on a 600 LT. One, it has an aftermarket wing, which a lot of people were nervous about doing because of the top-mounted exhaust. But two, it's got a painted engine bay cover and a painted roof scoop. What do you guys think? It honestly looks really cool. Like I said, there's crazy loud music over there, but seeing an Aston Martin 177 is a sight to behold. I've only seen it one other time. There's only 77 in the world, and it's got a 7.3 liter naturally aspirated V12, making 750 horsepower. That car must be absolutely insane. It's interesting, even in LA, you literally don't see them ever. Pretty blue STO, another 600 and a 620R. Here it is, that all orange 600 LT. Apparently these guys roll in a squad of 3 roof scoop 600 LTs. I'm so jealous. Beautiful NSX, and check out this S2000 with a wide body. It's not okay. That's a loud SV. Check out this creative bespoke 720 GTR. That is sick. Oh my gosh, that 488 is amazing. That wing design is pretty wild.